Yeshiva's mission is to inspire the Bachrim to become true B'nai Torah and Be'ezrat Hashem, future leaders in Klal Yisrael.
They understand each child and they know how to work with them.
They've been able to find and make the yeshiva experience their own experience, which is what you want as a parent.
The kids here are very down to earth, but they want to learn and they want to grow in their Yiddishkeit. I love it here, it's amazing.
An emphasis on midos, on bein adam lechavero, tefillah v'adim, encourage people to connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to be more makbid and shmiras hamitzvos.
There's so many different opportunities for growth. Musar Vadim, every Sunday night. Anybody's looking for some area that they want to grow in, they'll find the Chabura, they'll find the Rebbe to talk to about it, they'll find the Shir about it.
And my Rebbe, he's someone I always feel comfortable talking to about anything. It's clear that he cares about me.
The love and the attention that they get from the Rabbeim and the personal care that they give is just unmatched.
It goes way beyond the classroom.
Whether it's a Seder before Shachris, a shmooze in the middle of the day, or a text and phone call at night.
They understand that each Talmud is different and they try to support each Talmud the best way.
So we see that when a Rebbe believes in a Talmud, the Talmud feels like he can meet that expectation.
The whole lifestyle of being an Eved Hashem is what they're modeling. The Talmidim want to be like their Rebbeim.
They themselves are very inspired, the Rebbeim, and when people that are very inspired themselves have the ability to successfully mashpia on others.
Here in the Mesivta, we don't just give our Talmidim the skills in learning itself, but we actually try to get the Talmidim to love the learning, to live the learning.
There's a Ruach HaTorah, the Shiurim are on a very high level.
There's an excitement, there's a growth.
They're coming in ready to learn, they want to learn.
The classes dive deep into my mind and make me think a lot.
The honors track in the yeshiva is custom tailored for Talmidim who are coming with a different level of a commitment to their learning.
With Baruch Hashem, we have a very strong base medrash, and they have a very wonderful hashpah on the high school.
In the afternoon, it's a lot of work, but hardworking people end up doing well in this yeshiva.
Many of our students are very driven, and they look forward to engaging in the classes.
I'm confident that when I graduate, they're giving us the skills that we need to succeed in life.
We offer college-level courses throughout our curriculum: science, math, English, and history. Our students have scored at the top tier in all APs that we've offered.
So besides for the learning, they have multiple sports programs where they have JV and varsity basketball teams, and they have an amazing league, Motzei Shabbos.
Whether it's through barbecues, whether it's through trips, whether it's through fun events, whatever it is, they'll find a way to connect, but it's always focused on Torah.
It's all part of Avodas Hashem. That's the messaging.
If you're looking for a yeshiva
that has a very strong level of learning,
where your son will be a mensch.
Where the messaging he's getting every moment of the day is that the most important part of his life is his Avodas Hashem.
If you're a hardworking student and you're willing to be challenged,
A warm environment, a rigorous and excellent general studies course,
then this is the yeshiva for him.
Here, I've seen that the end product is just the most beautiful thing. They're really changing the world one student at a time. It's not just in the yeshiva, but when the kids walk out of the yeshiva, it stays with them.